welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today in this video, I will discuss about some of the phrasal verbs related to cooking and kitchen. So also I will tell you about the meanings of those phrasal verbs and how to use it in a sentence. So let's make this video a very interesting, tasty, delicious and a yummy one. And let's start with the first one. The first one is boil over. It means to overflow while boiling. So you can also use it in a sentence in this way. Watch carefully that the milk doesn't boil over. The next one is bolt down. It means eating a large amount of food quickly. I had to bolt it down my breakfast in order to catch the train. Okay, so when you are in a hurry, you can use this phrase bolt down. Now let's move on to the next part. The next one is chop up. So chop up is a very common and a familiar phrasal verb which we always do in our kitchen. That means every day. So it means to cut something into small pieces. She chopped up the vegetables for cooking. The next one is leftover. Leftover means food remaining after a meal. She prepared a unique recipe with the leftover rice. So if you guys are following any food channel, you can see those YouTubers are preparing such a beautiful recipes with the leftover food. The next one is fry up. It means a meal that consists of fried food. Let's fry up some fish for dinner. But I will suggest you avoid fried foods and have some healthy food every time. Okay. Next one is whip up. To prepare food or meal very quickly or easily. She whipped up a beautiful cake in just 10 minutes. It means actually any instant recipes you can prepare in a very short time. Okay. The next one is cut out. Cut out means to stop doing something. I need to cut out carbs from my diet. Carbs means carbohydrate. The next one is cut back. To do less of something. You eat too much sugar. You should cut back on sweets. So as you all know, sugar is not good for health. So a bit of you can cut back on sweets from your diet. The next one is cut up. It means cutting something into small pieces. He cut the vegetables up into small pieces. Next one is pick at. To eat small amount of food as you are not feeling hungry. The child just picked at the food. So when you are not hungry or not feeling like eating, you can use this phrasal verb pick out. The next one is pig out. To eat a lot or too much. She picked out on pizzas and pastries at the party. The 12th one is to heat the cooked food in order to eat it. I will put the curry in the oven to warm it up. So in order to warm your curry or any vegetables, you can use this phrasal verb warm up. The next one is slice off. It means to cut something from a larger piece. She sliced off a piece of cake. The 14th one is dish something up. It means to make or serve a meal. For instance, what's mom dishing up for us tonight? Now the next one is thaw out. Thaw out means to unfreeze. I forget to thaw out the soup before I leave for office. 16th one is polish off. It means to finish eating quickly and easily. He polished off the whole cake. So when you eat something very hastily or in a very hurry way, you can use this phrasal verb polish off. The next one is mix in. Mix in is also a very common and a familiar phrasal verb which means to add one substance to other, especially in cooking. Mix in all the spices to make this food taste perfect. Next one is snack on something. Snack on something means to eat food between meals. I snacked on some healthy cookies when I feel hungry. So whenever between the meals we feel hungry or we need to eat something, we can use this phrasal verb snack on. The last remaining two, eat out. Eat out means eating outside instead of home. It means let's eat out at restaurant tonight. Okay. The next one is eat up. It means to finish one's food. Eat up your meal quickly as we are getting late. So I hope you have liked this video. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also thank you for watching guys. Have a great day.